So the review downloader tool is one of the new features that's recently been launched on Sellerise, and it is frankly awesome. So if you want to come over here to the left-hand side, go to reviews. In addition to our review dashboard and the review requester, there's a new one called the review downloader. You're going to come to this page here, but it doesn't actually exist within the desktop application. You're going to want to actually come to the Chrome store. And then if you already have the Sellerise extension, you don't need to worry about this. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it. And it's going to show up here with our little logo symbol on the top. And that's where it's going to be found when you actually download the Chrome extension. So how this thing works, you could actually come to a particular listing or ASIN on Amazon. You can go ahead and click that. And then it's going to pull that up and it can load the current product reviews. Or you could just come in here, select a marketplace, and actually enter the product ASIN and do a manual search. So since we've got this thing pulled up here within the app, I'm just going to go ahead and load the current product reviews. It's going to run its magic, download all the reviews, and it's going to extract all of the review data that's available on Amazon. I can go ahead and download this report. And then it's going to be extracted both as a Excel file here, and then it's also going to pull it into the desktop. So again, I could download this, I could refresh or update this at any time. So if I wanted to keep track of my existing products and say run this on a weekly or monthly basis, this will all show up here within the review downloader. I can refresh it and then download it again. So once you open up the Excel sheet, this is the view that you're going to get. It's got an individual review link for every single one of these reviews. It's got the ASIN, it's got the date that it was left, it's got the actual rating number, and then it's got any images that were uploaded with the review. It's got the actual username. So this is super cool. You could kind of click in here and see each individual profile here. And then it's got the username of the actual person that left the review. Oftentimes this is going to be some like made up name that people use, but in many cases there's also people that use their real name. We can actually match those real names to back-end orders, which can be beneficial if you wanted to say reach out as a CEO or have somebody on your customer service team reach out when there's been a poor review and just understand what happened. But it gives you an additional layer of kind of tracking and data that doesn't exist within just the raw data that exists on a Amazon listing. It's also got the title of it. It's got the body. So you can search keywords. You can kind of extract this stuff, which is neat. It's got how many things have been upvoted. So if there's been a lot of upvotes for a particular review, you can see that here in the data. And then it will also determine whether or not it's been verified. So is it a verified review or not? So for your own reviews, this is great to track and keep a warehouse of all of your reviews. Add to it over time, maybe download this file again weekly or monthly. It's also fantastic when evaluating new markets or evaluating competitors, because you can extract all of their data and understand and see what the review information is and the raw data that you can chop up. And also the access to the people that actually left the reviews in terms of the reviewer link and the reviewer name is good for outreach and other strategies when it comes to individualized reviewers. So that's the review extractor. It's awesome. Uses the Chrome extension. Make sure you download that. And then as you download and extract reviews, it will be saved within your dashboard on the Sellerise desktop application.